Hey everyone! Today I'll conduct an experiment and trade alpha tokens using a limit order, not instant like I usually do. I want to know how much I spent on this and compare the results with the instant trading I did earlier today before making this video. If you wanna see how I trade alpha tokens using an instant order, watch my other video, which you'll find in the description down below. We will be working with the current ZKJ price, and here you'll see the minimum and maximum price within the 1 minute time frame. My current balance is 1282.29 USDT. We will compare it with what I have after completing the trading volume generation. Let's begin. I'm gonna create my first order. Let's try doing this using the current token price. Paste it into the price field. I'm gonna do trades using 480 ZKJ, which is equal to 980 USDT. Buy ZKJ. The message you can see here are usually pretty informative. Please note that limit orders usually execute at the limit price or better, but they do not guarantee to be filled. Continue. Limit buy order created and filled. Here it is. As it was said in the message, the order was executed at a better price than I said before. Here is the price I chose, and this is the average price, which is lower than the price I wanted to pay. Now I need to sell ZKJ. I'm selecting maximum. I'll copy the current price again and paste it. Sell ZKJ. Continue. The limit order is created, but it was not filled. Let's find it in the Open Orders tab. The prices which I want to sell is higher than the current price, so nobody wants to buy my ZKJ tokens, because other users can buy them cheaper. That's why I can sell my tokens at my price. I'm going to cancel this order because I don't want to wait until it's filled. Now I want to set the price lower than the current price. Let's change it here to 2.04273, which is lower than the current 2.04283. And I can try to sell now. I'm selling at the cheaper price, so other users see my cheap price and buy, because it's a good deal. Yep, my order was filled instantly. And we can see how much I've spent for this trade. $980.67 here, $980.58 here. The difference is just 9 cents, which is cheaper than using instant orders. Since I want to make 17 trades, I'm going to repeat all of this. But while testing how it works and figuring out the best way to trade, I struggled a lot here. I'm not gonna show you all my sufferings. I want to show you what I think is the best and fastest way to do trades. Of course, it's only my subjective opinion. Now I want to buy ZKJ at a price slightly higher than the high price within the last candle. 2.044, 480 ZKJ, buy ZKJ. We can even test in entering exactly the same price as the high price, 2.04388, continue. The order is filled. Now we should sell. We do the same, but with the low price within the current candle, 2.04346, or slightly lower than the low price. Let's set it to 2.0434. All ZKJ. Sell ZKJ. I see a message saying my order price is slightly higher than the current market price. I need to make it a bit lower. 2.042. sell, continue. The order is filled. When you do this several times, you get used to it and start doing it faster. Next, we can simply repeat those buying and selling operations. The high price is 2.04388, so we can input 2.044, a bit higher. 880, buy, continue, done. Go to the sell tab. I'll set the price to 2.043, a bit lower than the low price. Sell, continue. This time it was fast enough. Again, buy. The high price is 2.04388, so I'll set it to 2.043, 480 ZKJ. It seems I've made a mistake. I need to input 2.044, not 2.043, because 2.044 is slightly higher. Buy, continue, done. Go to the sell tab. The price is 2.043, 480 ZKJ, but it shows me a warning because I set the price higher than the market one. So I need to make it lower. Let it be 2.042. The warning message has disappeared, so I can sell it. Sell, continue, done. I'll continue doing such buy and sell operations, so I hope it's clear to you how to do that. I think it's only a matter of time. Once you get used to doing this, you can do it faster. But remember the risks. When you trade using limit orders, you have to kind of guess the price. And when it comes to guessing, you might miss a sharp price rise or decline. So it's your risk. Be careful. And now I want to compare the results from limit order trading with instant trading. Today, using instant orders, I spent $5.5. Let's check my current balance, 1,279.94 USDT. That means by using limit orders, I only spent $2.35, which is twice as cheap. It doesn't mean that I'll continue using it. Personally, I prefer instant trading because it allows me to do everything very fast. But now I know that using limit orders is a totally real strategy, and it can save some money if done carefully. Don't forget to subscribe if this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.